This tutorial will be showing you pausing Windows Update PC online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Pausing the Windows Update for your PC. Again, this is similar like to my other tutorials for laptop or Windows or computer. You get the point. We're going to type in the search bar Windows Update. Click for check for updates or Windows Update settings. It's up to you. In this case, once you've successfully searched for Windows Update, you can choose to pause the updates. In this case, I've already paused it, but you can click the second option, which is above change active hours, and below get the latest updates as soon as they're available, which is pause for Windows Update. And as you can see, you have successfully paused Windows Updates. If you want, you can even click the fifth option, Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see this option, Pause Updates, and click the drop down arrow, because if you scroll down you can click the latest date, and now you have successfully paused the Windows updates from being installed on your PC for up to 35 days completely for free.